Hello to all my viewers. This is Sayyid Abbas. Welcome to my channel BIDN Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build the coronavirus dashboard to track COVID-19 cases around the world. Let's go through the dashboard first. In this dashboard, you may track overall status of COVID-19 or choose any listed country or state by simply selecting in the slicer, and you will find the result for that specific country or region in few clicks. I used Johns Hopkins data from GitHub, and it shows me all the details of coronavirus cases around the world along with affected country, name, and region. Here, I used Power Query to pull that data inside the Power BI, and then I started data modeling and finally creates visuals. Let's create GitHub account, or if you already have one, then skip the sign up part. Let's follow the standard sign up process to create the GitHub account. Once account is created, copy the link and paste in address bar. I have mentioned the link in the description section. Click on the link Case COVID-19 data. This data is refreshed by Johns Hopkins University on daily basis. Now click on link Case COVID-19 time series. Here you will find two types of CSV files. First, which is ending with us.csv, and other global.csv. I used global.csv file in my dashboard. Again, there are three files ending with global.csv: confirmed global, recovered global, and deaths global. Initial description, time series COVID-19 is same in all these three files. Let's look at the time series COVID-19 confirmed global.csv. There is nothing complicated here. This file contains count of COVID-19 confirmed cases by date along with the name of the country, state, latitude, longitude. Click on Raw button. It will open the file in CSV format. Go to the address bar and copy the URL. Open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Click on Get Data. Go to Web and pass the URL in the text box. Click OK. Here you can see some sample data which is going to load. Click Transform Data. Change the name as confirmed. Use first row as header. This data is in pivot format. Select first 4 columns, right-click, and then select Unpivot other columns. Verify and do some data cleanup activity. Rename the attribute column as date. Click on source and increase the column value as 4000. I changed this to avoid the error when new cases will register with new dates and then column count will increase. Let's look at date column. Remove blank and inappropriate data. Change format as date. Oops, there is some error. Check error description. Error says date format is not correct. Revert back the applied steps. As you can see, this date value is in YYY format. Fix this error first. Now you can see column data type has been changed as date. Similarly, we need to pull the data for recovered and deaths cases. There is a shortcut to achieve this. Now I will show you how to do that. As I told you earlier, initial description of these 3 files are same. Just make a copy by clicking on duplicate link and then change the name as deaths. Do the same for recovered cases. Click on source and replace the confirmed with deaths. You can also check the GitHub link to verify this. Follow the same steps for recovered cases. Now I'm going to add a custom column for the status in all 3 tables because I will create one table by merging all these 3 tables. Now create a group name, data model. Select all three tables. Go to Append Queries. Select Append Queries as new. Add all tables. And named as COVID-19 data. Move this table into data model and uncheck the enable load in all three tables because we already have all the data in COVID-19 data table. So we don't need to load these tables again. Let's create a custom column location key to uniquely identify each rows. It will merge state and country column and make unique key for this table. Click OK. Now our location key column is ready. Now I'm going to create a location table using reference of COVID-19 data table. Remove date, value, and status column and remove duplicate. Now location table have unique records. Next I'm going to create a status table. Click on enter data. Rename the table and column name as status. Add all three status. Click close and apply. Move to data modeling section. Remove the existing relations and create the new relation between these three tables. Now, part 1 is completed. Please check the part 2 of this series, how to create major using DAX. Alright, that's going to wrap up today. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, or if you hate it, give me a big ol' thumbs down. If you want more videos, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Cool, I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening me. Bye.